What's up? I'm Hashgrid, and today we're going to go over how to set up the Solana command line wallet. Alright, so I'm continuing on from the last video where I just set up the Solana CLI tool. So nothing else about the configuration has changed. Once again, if you type Solana config get, you'll get some information. It'll show you which network you're connected to. I'm connected to the dev network currently, but by default, it's connected to mainnet. It also says that there's a key pair path, which is basically your wallet information. But if I go to that file to try to ls it, it won't actually show anything there. id.json, cannot access, doesn't exist. So at least for me, a wallet didn't come set up. It might come set up for someone, or it might have in a previous version, but for me, it didn't come set up. And I doubt it does. I've just heard some people say it does. All right, so if you want to go ahead and connect to testnet, which is where developing is free when you're just testing things out, copy paste this link or type it in, Solana config set -- URL, and then the devnet URL. All right, now that you're connected to devnet, we can go ahead and create a wallet. The information is again all in the docs. You just need to go to wallets and command line wallets. Now, there are 3 different kinds of wallets that you can create on the command line. You have paper wallets, file system wallets, and hardware wallets. In order of security level, the hardware wallets are the most secure, the paper wallets are middle level secure, and file system wallets are very unsecure. In fact, it says file system wallets are the least secure method of storing SOL tokens. Storing large amounts of tokens in a file system wallet is not recommended. Now, in case you don't know why we need a wallet, you can click Solana wallet guide and it will tell you a crypto wallet is a device or application that stores a collection of keys and can be used to send, receive, and track ownership of cryptocurrencies. More specifically, if you read inside of hardware wallets, it'll say, we need a wallet so that we can sign transactions. Signing transactions requires a private key, but storing a private key on our personal computer or phone leaves us subject to theft. All right, so now that we know why we need a wallet, which is to store tokens so that we can use them when we're using services on the Solana blockchain, we can go ahead and create them. I'm gonna go ahead and create a file system wallet because that's actually the wallet I'm going to create or use, and it's the easiest one to create. I actually recorded this tutorial already and my voice didn't record, so I have to delete the directory that I'd already created and start over. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it. My Solana wallet. You can see I'm just following these instructions right here. And now I can run Solana keygen new -- out file, and we'll give it the directory I just created, and then my keypair.json. My keypair.json. It's gonna ask you to enter a password. And then it will give you both your public key, so your address, and your VIP39 passphrase. It just repeats what I just said. And now if you want to verify that you actually own that address, you can type Solana keygen verify, the public key we just created, or that was just provided to us, and then pass in the key pair file that we just created. And you can see success. So this worked. That's it. We've now created a file system wallet. If you need multiple wallets, you can do the same thing with multiple out files, and you might need multiple wallets so that you can transfer tokens back and forth to each other or have multiple test accounts. It really varies. Next would be a paper wallet. Essentially, a paper wallet follows a similar process, except for we don't provide an out file. So right here we said new out file, and we gave a file to put it to. If we say no out file, it's just gonna give us a public key and the seed phrase, and we'll need to keep track of the seed phrase ourselves. Okay, now hypothetically, I think if you lose your file system wallet, then you can use the seed phrase we got in combination with a paper wallet to recreate it. And now that that's done, I'll show you that that file that didn't exist earlier now exists. That's not good. Okay, yeah, I figured out what's up. I was tripping. So basically, when you get the configuration file, if this is where the key pair needs to go, unless you change the key pair path. So I need to go ahead and key, this time passing in this file, right? Cool, now I enter my password. All right, and now the file's there. Oh yeah, just in case you're wondering, I'm for sure gonna delete this. Like I'm on testnet and I'm for sure gonna delete it. Like if you want to try to hack these, go ahead. I'm not that dumb. Okay, so now I'll just cat that file for you because forget it. id.json. Whoa, I showed you my binary data. Okay, now I guess I'll verify that address. So Solana, keygen, pub key, and then home, alm.config, Solana, id.json. Okay, that's not verifying, that's just public key. Verify. And then passing in the key. Success, cool, okay, I can control that address. All right. Yeah, and again, so if for paper wallets, you just want to go no out file, it'll give you the words right here, and then that's it, you have a paper wallet. If you can derive your own paper wallet from your own phrase, so if you have one sitting around or you just want to recreate your file system wallet using these words, you can recreate it. And then past that, there's hierarchical derivation if you want to generate your private key based on a combination of your public key and a passphrase. And then hardware wallets if you want double security. I'm not using a hardware wallet because I'm just doing testnet stuff and development stuff. I will probably get a hardware wallet when I'm going to start doing tests on the mainnet, but for now I'm not using real Sol, so I don't think it really matters. All right, that's gonna be it for today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe or comment in the comment section and tell me what you would like to see, and I will try to get to it. Peace.